Hi there and welcome to a new video. Literally 2 minutes ago, currently is 3:04 and at 3:02, okay, where I am, Redot 4.3 stable was released. And yes, indeed, we are going to be checking everything out. And we have two main pieces of information that we can take a look at. Firstly, this is a post in their official website, and also here in GitHub we have even more information like the full list of changes over here. And also we should be having an updated roadmap sometime this week. So first of all, remember that everything started like 1 month ago, 1.5 months ago actually. And first of all, we have like the notable, the most important addition and fixes. So for example, we have already checked out previously in the channel the customizable horizon color, basically this new color over here, because Godot right now only supported the ground, and this one was the sky color, I believe. But I don't know why here the language is not correct, I believe. And here we also have like the highlights of this version, that if you want, okay, I'm not going to go over all of them because if not this video would take ages. If you want, just pause the video right now. And also you have to consider that this is just a highlight, okay, of what is included in the version. But of course there are actually many more bug fixes, improvements, extra stuff, etc. And well, these first two paragraphs, it is just saying thanks for the community, for the contributors, for all the work throughout the creation of this fork. And they remark once again like the idea of the engine itself. And here they stated quite clearly, Redot was never about reinventing the wheel. They say, by maintaining close parity with Godot, we can provide something extra: the community, the quality of life improvements, the features, additional bug fixes. And also here, for those who may not know, each of the features introduced in Godot's 4.3 version is fully available in Redot 4.3. So if you actually want to start using Redot right now, you won't be having any kind of problem in terms of lacking some functionality. And besides what they have said here, they also want to include meaningful changes, basically changes that actually differ from what Godot has done, from what Godot currently has. And here they introduce Redot Experimental. This is basically a testing ground that is meant to be used for bigger changes that would break the parity that currently exists between Redot and Godot. As we have mentioned, right now both versions are quite similar, and Redot 4.3 has the exact same features as Godot 4.3, or well, quite similar at least. So well, with this Redot Experimental, they are going to be trying to implement these bigger changes that will break a little bit this parity. So both Godot and Redot will start to differ from each other a little bit. And basically this is meant to make the game development much faster and maybe more efficiently. And under this Redot Experimental, okay, a project that they have is basically Redot Launcher, which would be quite similar to the hubs or launchers that other engines have, such as Unity, in where you have your projects in which you can change quickly the version of the engine that you will use. And well, I personally believe that this idea is something that is pretty interesting, pretty huge. And also I am quite impressed by the UI here, by the work that they have done here. Let's see if we can actually open this up a little bit bigger. Just take a look at the UI, okay? It seems that they have really put a lot of effort in the UI, making it look good. And also it seems that it is easy to use. Projects as a library, settings, projects, okay? That's all that you have. So it is quite straightforward, stylish, and it seems that it will be quite efficient. Also here, take a look at how the projects are organized. You have the recent projects, okay, projects that you have opened like a second ago. Projects, you also have like a favorites project list here. And I don't really see here where you will change the version of the engine. Maybe here at the top where it says 4.4 alpha 1. or directly here when you run a project, but well, we will see. But it is quite good here, the progress that we have here with this. And it is definitely something super different from what we have in Godot. They also want to open up a Redot Academy. And well, I actually didn't know that originally they tried like giving classes for free about Redot game development, but well, because of some scheduling problems, they have to stop doing them. But the idea of actually building an academy lives on. And basically it would be a website with tutorials, tools, structured learning paths. And also they do recon the fact that right now Godot tutorials will work in the exact same way as they do in Godot in Redot. They will work because the engine, as we have mentioned, Redot is quite similar to Godot. But well, they believe that they can offer something unique, something different in these tutorials or courses that they will teach. And well, that maybe soon we will have more announcements about this. They also want to open up forums, okay? And basically as soon as it is ready, they will announce it once again. They also want to open up a contributors page with every single name that has ever contributed to the engine. And well, this is all that we have in terms of news. If you always want to keep up to date, you can join their Discord server, okay? Here in their announcements, they're always tagging here everyone when there is something interesting. So I really recommend you join if you want to keep up to date. So now let's basically go to the website itself. And I will just super quickly download this new version, and I will open it up to just test if it works. But I see here that release candidate 4 was released, so maybe they haven't updated here the version. So I will go ahead and download it from GitHub over here, and let me just find it. Stable, and for Windows 64, this one. Okay, yes, this one it is. Now I will open this up exactly like this, and we should have Redot. Okay, there we have it. And as we can see over here, we have 4.3 stable official. I see that the color is now the same as Godot. I don't know if let me check if it was because I changed the theme and I didn't remember to put it back in the default theme, but well, it is not something that is a big change or anything like that. So well, here we are once again in the 3D environment. We have here this horizon color, okay, and there we see it, and we have the sky color. Let's make this like something like light blue, and the ground color, for example, something like a brown color. Okay, so there we have the 3 colors. And let me go to the theme. Yes, it was because I had changed it previously and didn't remember to put it back. But well, this is how you should see the engine as soon as you open it up. And I will basically create a main scene, and I will basically create an empty script, and I will just run here a pretty simple ready function. Okay, with a print message. Here we are in Redot stable version. Okay, and now I will run that scene, and we should see in the output that message in a second when this loads in. Okay, there we are. So subscribe for the channel for more Redot news. As soon as anything comes up, I will post it. See you in the next one, and bye bye.